G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal. It's been single piece, been split in half. He's up like that. Split open. Basically, it's interesting colours. 3 different ranges of colour there. There's a silver grey and on the edge some grey and brown sort of material. There's not a lot of fire in it, I'm not pretending, but there's a bit of fire in this part here. The camera picks it up or not. There you go, a bit of green, blues, teal. It's not so much on this side, I don't think. But for someone who'd like to work a little bit of magic and make a pair of earrings or something, you're welcome to get them from us. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.